So how about another quick shot of downtown Vancouver? This is Hornby Street, not to be mistaken with Horny Street. That's two separate streets. This is actually, I think, the Justice Department? No, sorry, University. Justice building is behind us. So, excuse my... Oh no, I lied. Both provincial courts and University of British Columbia. Yeah, like the sign says. Provincial courts and UBC. So what you're looking at is pretty much straight downtown. I guess the bus says it all, downtown. Huh. Yeah. Corner of Burrard and West Georgia. Pretty much right in the center of town. That is... I don't know what that is. Hotel Vancouver, maybe. And the Vancouver Art Gallery's right beside the Microsoft head offices. Oh, I never noticed that clock before. The coloring. Wow. Always see something different every time I come down here. Okay, I'm confused. It says Hotel Vancouver on this side and Fairmont on the other side. So, or maybe it was Hotel Vancouver at one time and bought out by Fairmont. I'm not sure. So, yeah. And I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the Burrard Bridge. And from there it's all open ocean towards Vancouver Island. So, beautiful sunny day. And you have all seen this before, so this is nothing new to you guys. And this too. Oh, nobody here tonight. Wow, dead. They do a lesson. Wow, empty compared to Sunday. Maybe not worth coming down tonight. That's okay, we can go for a beer if not. If you're wondering about the nightlife in downtown Vancouver, this is it. Basically, they block off the main street, the main strip, and it's like party central. I guess the reason why they block it off, they're having too many drunk people, too many fights, too many people walking into traffic and getting run over. So they just decide to close it off. And my case in point right there, they got a couple ambulances out, so something happened there. I don't know what. Okay, there's a whole pile of these little restaurants around Vancouver and Victoria, and they all have the cheap $5.95 food. I have no idea how they make any money on that. As you've seen, it comes with a burger and fries. Unbelievable price. And a beer. I paid like $11, so very cheap. For a cheap bastard like me. My only thing is, I'm thinking it could be a front for money laundering type of organization. But they have them all over, and different names. What's this one go by? This one's called the Capitol. Other ones I've seen, the Warehouse, and I forget the rest of the names. So, that ends my night. I am completely wiped out, tired out, and I didn't do a lot today. I went to bed at 4 a.m. last night, and I woke up at 2 or 2:30. Somewhere around there. So I have absolutely no reason to be tired because I've got like 10-11 hours of sleep, but my eyes show that I am tired and I feel it, and I need a lot of rest for tomorrow because it's another action-packed day. the dancing downtown here, it looked really bad in the start, but it picked up and it got really good actually. I had a few good dances going with the 3 different girls and a lot of good chats. So anyways, yeah, that's the end.
I need help moving.
Actually, it's not the end. We gotta catch the Sky Train back to the van. So. And 11 minutes after leaving downtown, I'm back home. The SkyTrain is so quick and efficient here. Didn't have to pay for parking. Didn't have to fight traffic. For $2.40, I ain't gonna complain. So, now, sleep time. Guess what, boys and girls? We are so bad. We didn't do an outro video to end the day yesterday. So I'm doing it today. I've already started a new day, but hey, you can't watch that till next video. See? That's why we are the substandard leader in the bottom of YouTube videos. That is it. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go get prepared for my day, but you guys can't see that till next video. So you'll have to come back. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. Thank you very much. And yeah, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And till next time, stay awesome, guys. And remember, cheers.